How to get the voice effect on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to 1 2 Step. If you want to change your voice up and add in different effects to your voice, you can do it within the app of TikTok. So for that, all you need to do is tap on the plus button on the bottom and then upload a video that has a voice. Now once the video has been added, you can just tap on the audio editing right here, and it's going to give you all of the different voices that you can change to. You can just tap on any of the voice and the voice will be changed from your voice to this voice. Now after you like the voice that you added, you can tap on save on the top right, and there you go. Now you can tap on next and then post it to your profile. So that's how quick and easily you can get the voice effect on TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.